Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to use Google Lens in Chrome on PC. So let's start. If you want to find the option for Google Lens, sometimes the option is in your search bar, but sometimes the option is on your settings on Google Chrome. So let's see. For example, I'm here on Tumblr. I'm checking some pictures here. As you can see, there are some pictures and pictures, etc. So if you want to find something, for example, a cloud, you can use Google Lens and it helps you with AI to find what kind of article it's using. So for doing this, let's go to settings. So in the three dots in the top right corner, just click here and then just scroll down. And you will find the option that says search with Google Lens. Just click there and just select what you want to search. In this case, I want to select this one, and here appears all the things that are with this kind of cloth, like it's a sweater. You will find here everything about it. So how much it costs, or what kind of sweater it is. So you will find everything here. Now if you want to pin it, you can do it, or just close it. Then just scroll down a little bit. If you want to find another thing, you can do it. So for example, I want to find another thing. Let's see what kind of this dress. Okay, now again, let's go to search with Google Lens and just select the dress that you want to find it, and you will find here the dress that this person is wearing. So that's the way to using Google Lens on PC. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.